Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a jolly, kind-hearted man who loves to bring joy to children all around the world. He wears a red suit with a fluffy white beard and have a big belly that jiggles when he laughs. Hoo hoo hoo. Santa lives in the North Pole, a magical snowy place where he have a big workshop. In this workshop, he and his little helper make toys for kids. Santa also has reindeer and they help pull his sleigh through the sky. The famous reindeer is Rudolph, who has shiny red nose that light up the way. Every Christmas Eve, Santa loads his sleigh with gifts. He travels all over the world, visiting houses to leave presents for children. Santa enters home through the chimney and places the gift under the Christmas tree or in socks. Santa Claus reminds us of the joy of giving, being kind to others, and celebrating the magic of Christmas. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for the more videos.